This is Trapper's Avatar, powered by Grown Man Productions, and you have to reach millions. Let me ask you something. Are you really getting the best out of ChatGPT? Be honest, how many times have you typed something like, write me an email or give me 10 ideas, and then stared at a wall of text that felt generic? That's because 99% of users never learn how to talk to AI the right way. They ask, they hope, and they settle. But the truth is, prompting isn't guessing, it's communication. And when you learn to communicate with precision, clarity, and purpose, AI stops being a random generator and starts being your digital command team. So today, I'm giving you my 5 go-to prompts, the ones I personally use to get 10 times better results from ChatGPT. These prompts are battle-tested. They've helped me write scripts, plan strategies, design workflows, and even create this channel you're watching right now. Stick with me to the end because I'll also show you how to combine them into a single system, the same framework I use to create professional level results faster than most teams can brainstorm. And before we dive in, do me one small favor that makes a huge difference. Join, like, and subscribe. It helps me create more content like this. It helps you stay ahead of the curve, and it helps us grow this community of prompt masters around the world. All right, let's get started. Section 1, prompt number 1, the expert mode. You are now a role. Help me, goal, ask me 3 clarifying questions before answering. This is the prompt that changed everything for me. When I first started using ChatGPT, I treated it like a search engine, just dumping in requests and taking whatever it gave me. And I'd get results that sounded okay, but lacked depth, originality, or context. Then I realized if you don't give AI an identity, it doesn't know how to think. When you tell it to become a role, a strategist, a teacher, a copywriter, a filmmaker, a coach, it instantly taps into that mindset. It's like walking into a meeting with a whole team of specialists and saying, all right, team, I need the marketing expert, the designer, and the strategist on this one. You're not asking random people for input. You're giving orders to professionals. Example 1, business strategy. You are now a business strategist. Help me create a launch plan for a new productivity app targeting remote workers. Ask me 3 clarifying questions before you start. Now, instead of generic marketing fluff, ChatGPT will ask, what platforms are you launching on? What's your target audience's main frustration? What's your unique selling point? You've just turned a passive chatbot into a proactive consultant. Example 2, personal development. You're now a motivational coach. Help me design a 7-day mindset challenge for creators dealing with burnout. Ask me 3 clarifying questions before you begin. Again, the questions it asks back tell you it understands the mission. And that's how you start commanding your AI, you say, instead of begging it for answers. Because pros don't type questions into AI, they issue assignments. Section 2, prompt number 2, the refinement prompt. Analyze my previous prompt and tell me how to make it more specific, professional, and effective. This one will completely change how you learn prompting. It's not just about improving one result, it's about improving you. See, most people think they're bad at prompting because they don't get AI, but really, they're just never getting feedback. When you ask ChatGPT to critique your own prompts, it becomes your AI communication coach. Example 1, marketing. Let's say your original prompt was, write a product description for my skincare brand. You follow up with, analyze that prompt and tell me how to make it more specific, professional, and effective. ChatGPT might respond, include your target audience, teen skincare, luxury, natural. Add emotional benefit, confidence, self-care. Specify tone, playful, elegant, clinical. Limit word count, then it rewrites it into write a 150-word playful product description for a luxury natural skincare line that helps teens feel confident. That's refinement in action, and the next time you'll naturally prompt better. Example 2. Creators, if your prompt was write a YouTube script about AI tools, then refine it. Analyze that prompt and make it more effective. You'll learn to add structure, viewer focus, and pacing cues. Over time, this makes you think like a director when you prompt, not just a user. Refinement is how you evolve from average to elite. Section 3, prompt number 3, the output upgrade. Prompt, rewrite this response as if it were written by an industry expert with 10 years of experience. Keep it concise and actionable. This is how you turn AI sounding writing into something human, authoritative, and confident. I use this every single day on scripts, emails, copy, even business reports. Here's the thing, ChatGPT is a powerful writer, but its first drafts are always safe. They lack the boldness of someone who's lived the topic. That's where this prompt steps in. Example before. Using I can help small businesses save time and money. After using output upgrade prompt. As an automation consultant with 10 years of experience, I can tell you small businesses that integrate AI into daily workflows save an average of 15 hours a week and double their content output. See the difference? Same idea. Better impact. The goal is not just to sound smart, it's to sound seasoned. Bonus tip. If you ever get something that feels too stiff or corporate, follow up with, now rewrite this in a more conversational tone, keeping the same level of authority. Now you've got professional and personal, the golden balance for any creator, brand, or entrepreneur. Section 4, prompt number 4, the tone calibration. Prompt, adjust this writing to match the tone of brand/personality, confident, conversational, inspiring. This is your brand control prompt. The longer you use AI, the more you realize it's not just about the words, it's about how those words sound. Tone builds connection, and consistency builds trust. If your brand feels disjointed, formal one day, funny the next, it's because you're not calibrating tone. Example 1, brand voice. Adjust this writing to match the tone of AI prompt mastery. Confident, educational, approachable, slightly witty. Now every line matches your energy. Example 2, client work. If you're a freelancer working with different clients, you can instantly adapt. Adjust this blog post to match the tone of Nike, bold, inspiring, and concise. Or rewrite this as if it's for Apple, clean, confident, innovative. This saves hours of editing and ensures your content sounds consistent across every platform. Pro tip, feed AI 2 to 3 of your own past samples and say, study the tone, rhythm, and phrasing of these examples. Then rewrite future outputs to match this style. That's like training your own digital ghostwriter. Section 5, prompt number 5, the AI system. Prompt, before answering, summarize how you understood my request, then provide your solution step by step. This is your precision prompt. Sometimes ChatGPT delivers something impressive but slightly off target, and you don't realize it until later. The system prompt fixes that by forcing AI to explain its thinking first. It's the same logic the military uses when repeating orders to confirm understanding before execution. Example 1, business plan. Before answering, summarize how you understood my request. Then write a 5-step plan for launching a YouTube automation agency. I might say, I understand you want a step-by-step guide focusing on strategy, content systems, and client acquisition. Perfect confirmation received. Now it delivers the full plan with precision. Example 2, education. Before answering, summarize how you understood my request. Then give me 3 ways to explain AI prompting to beginners. Now, you're not just getting answers, you're getting alignment. That's how leaders communicate. Section 6, combining the prompts, the command chain. Each of these 5 prompts is powerful on its own, but together they form a command chain. Here's the sequence I use daily. Expert mode, assign the AI a role and mission. Refinement, have it sharpen your order. System, confirm understanding before execution. Output, upgrade, elevate tone and authority. Tone calibration, make it sound like your brand. That's the full cycle command issued, order refined, mission executed, message perfected. And that's how I've built entire videos, marketing plans, and even new business ideas with AI. Example, workflow. You are a senior content strategist. Help me plan a 30-day AI education campaign. Before answering, summarize my request. Once complete, rewrite it as if written by a 10-year expert in a confident conversational tone. Boom, you've just combined all 5 prompts into one system. That's not basic prompting, that's prompt command strategy. Section 7, common mistakes people make. Before we wrap up, let's talk about what not to do. These 5 mistakes will kill your results. No context. Don't just say, write something. Always define role and goal. No feedback loop. Don't settle for the first answer. Refine and iterate. Ignoring tone. Consistency builds brand trust. Calibrate every time. Overloading info. I love structure. Too much chaos equals weak results. No confirmation. Always verify what the AI understood before executing. When you avoid these, you'll see your results improve literally overnight. Section 8, the bigger picture. The real secret here isn't the 5 prompts. It's what they represent. Clarity, communication, leadership. AI is like a mirror. It reflects the quality of your thinking back to you. If you're vague, it's vague. If you're specific, it's brilliant. So when people say AI doesn't work for me, I tell them AI isn't broken. Your communication is. Prompting is not typing. Prompting is thinking with precision. When you master that, you don't just get better AI results. You become a better communicator, strategist, and creator in every area of life. So now that you've got the 5 prompts that can 10 times your results, here's your challenge. Use one of them today. Drop a comment below and tell me which one you're trying first and what results you got. I'll feature some of the best comments in a future episode. And if you got value out of this video, do me a favor, join, like, and subscribe to AI Prompt Mastery. It helps this mission grow and keeps you at the cutting edge of the AI revolution. Because the truth is, AI won't replace you, but someone who knows how to command AI will. This is Trapper's Avatar with Grown Man Productions, reminding you, you have to reach millions.
It's the rapper.